Excellent location, best location in Cavadia, Statue of Unity. Very good property. Highly recommended for stay when in Cavadia. Okay, very good. Perfect location for the Ekta Nagar place is right next to the bus station, which is the primary source of travel within the Ekta Nagar. Food is good and breakfast has good spread as well. Mrs. Archana Shah, what a beautifully located and clean inviting place. Love to visit again soon. Perfect location, amazing location with beautiful views of the river Narmada. Sutrip. Very nice place to stay with family. Food quality is really good. Staff was super cordial. Especially Vikram Bhai, who helped me in an emergency situation. Exceptional, very good property. Exceptional nice location, hotel with good breakfast. Big swimming pool and very near to Statue of Unity bus point. Good hotel, it very convenient to stay here. Awesome. Best hotel in the vicinity, great food, good people and wonderful views. All fine, food is little bit costlier but good in taste. Exceptional good location, great views. Clean property and courteous staff. Happy stay, amazing experience. Very good facility and courteous staff. Courteous staff and good amenities, good. Statue of Elegance. There is no better place than SBB Ramada Encore to stay in Cavadia near Zoo. I felt that Zoo can be a one-time experience, but you will love to visit SBB Ramada Encore again and again. I would recommend that don't spend money on any attraction at Zoo except Children Nutrition Park, Arogya Van, Vishwa Van and Cactus Garden. All other attractions like Jungle Safari, Dam, Valley of Flowers, projection mapping are a little less than ordinary. The Children Nutrition Park is a class apart place and must be visited. For rest of the time, just relax at this wonderful hotel. Exceptional worthy hotel. Good resort with basic amenities, best location if you want to explore Zoo and all the other attractions.